Welcome to the regular Faroese News Report.
Here are today's headlines. First up, the news, and then we'll get into some opinion pieces.
First up, there's a funding dispute brewing over the 2027 Island Games.
It's all about this number, 2.5 million kroner from the Danish parliament.
And wow, the reaction from Faroese politicians has been sharply divided.
Culture Minister Sirið Stenberg says local funding was already secured, calling this Danish involvement shameful.
Moving on, several MPs have received threats after the recent abortion vote.
This is the threat they received. Police are taking it with the utmost seriousness.
So the source was traced to a single person in Denmark, not someone in the Faroes.
In response, MP Bjarni Karlsson Pedersen has called for more respectful public debate.
Next up, a politician is raising questions about the burden on the national hospital.
The big questions are, who's responsible for these patients and what's the daily cost?
In education news, a school is cracking down on screen time for its youngest students.
The school in Vagor has a no smartphone agreement for kids in grades 1 through 3.
This comes as data shows young adults are on screens for about 8 hours a day.
And at the same time, people spend 40% less time with others than a decade ago.
All right, let's switch gears to political commentary and what people are writing in.
First, a letter from Samuel Hanni Longberg, who's leaving the Union Party over the abortion law.
He says the new law violates his values, and he's now joined the Center Party.
An editorial in VP is arguing for a more pragmatic approach to sanctioning Russian ships.
It warns of major economic fallout and suggests looking at Sweden's neutrality during World War II.
And finally, a widely discussed letter from Ole Breckman presents a strong pro-Israel perspective.
Like and subscribe to PalsFundamentals for more content like this. Sources are linked below.